Ciao, this is Ems. Welcome to Fabulous Life. It's been a long time. Summer is just around the corner, and we are feeling the warm weather already. Last year, summer was really hot. And in the Netherlands, the apartments don't have AC. And we don't really have the chance to buy a portable AC because where do we put the tubing? So we just bought two fans before, but it wasn't enough. Since we have a baby and we don't want her to suffer from the heat, we searched for alternatives and we found this. An air cooler. We bought this in Amazon. So let's all see. So it has the manual, the remote control, a screwdriver, and some screws. It has this stand, water containers, 1, 2, 3, 4. So this machine includes the power control panel. It has the cool, timer, on and off speed, mode, and swing. You can also find this in the remote control. And it also includes an ice crystal uh, container. So this ice crystal container, you need to fill it up with water until here, the maximum. And then wait until 8 to 15 minutes to solidify, and then you need to put it in the freezer for 2 to 3 hours. And then after, you need to put water here inside. You need to put water, and then after putting water, you need to put these ice crystals inside. You cannot use the cool option if you don't have water inside. So for now, I will prepare these ice crystals and then I will check later. So these containers has ice crystals. So it's written here, do not eat. So when you open this one, you put water and then you wait 8 to 15 minutes to solidify. You put in the freezer and then it's done. And then after, you don't have to put it out. You just have to keep on put it back and forth to the freezer. I just put some water. I need to wait now. Now let's check if the containers are already frozen. Yeah, these are ready. are already frozen, we need to put water in here. But we need to put only half of it because we still need to put the containers inside. And based on the manual, we cannot put outside or over the maximum line. Okay. So the water meter is here. So the water level should be only up until here. So this is the maximum line. But I will only put until 5 because I will still put the frozen containers later. Now we have these frozen containers, we will just put them inside. I just plugged it in. Now let's try. Let's try the cool. And then swing. So it's blowing cold water. It's not really cold, it's cool water. It's not as cold as an AC, but it's better than a fan. So for now, we are okay for summer. Ciao!